to the power with the word.
Yeah, welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, guys.
Okay, so seeing as though there's no specific, well, not anymore, I guess, no specific lip made for the BMW X1, the E84 model. So I was searching online, I checked on eBay, and I found one that's actually universal that you can fit on a lot of different cars. So I figured, why not go ahead and try it out, see if it works. And if it doesn't work, you know, I'll sell it on the marketplace or something like that. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So these are the side pieces right here. Okay, so this is one side piece. Alright, it's made out of ABS plastic.
Wow, papi, that's
No, saca esto, saca esto.
¡Qué lindo!
Okay,
¡Qué lindo, papi!
thank you. Okay. So then this is the right side piece. Goes as such. You have a middle piece right here that ends up connecting to this one. Espérate, Tina. So sort of connected. This piece goes underneath this one. So the way this works is it's meant to go in and out depending on the size and width of your front bumper. So I went ahead and test fitted this side in yesterday. I test fitted this one and this. So both these sides actually fit perfectly, and I didn't even measure anything, but this fits perfectly on the side of the bumper all the way up to the actual front piece. I mean, I can just use this and it fits perfectly, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. So this piece, what you do is you kind of you move it side to side and in and out to kind of just make it fit specifically for your bumper. It's a universal lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, guys. I'm gonna make a short video of this. I'm gonna try to not make it long. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a quick before the front lip. All right, so there's nothing there. Okay. Alright, so real quick, I want to show you what the hardware it comes with. So it comes with these two rubber kind of spacers. You have an Allen key, 2 long screws, and 12 of these shorter screws. And then it also comes with these 2 other separate screws. But the weird thing about it is the actual nut to it doesn't even fit. It just goes right through it. That's the crazy thing about it. So I don't know what that heck that is for, but we're gonna try to make it happen, guys. Let's see. So this will go right here, like such. Hopefully the camera can get that. So it will be looking something like this in a way. So you can move this in and out. See? It's real customizable. So you can make it really aggressive or more conservative. I kind of like the in-between look, something like that. So let's see. So unfortunately, I didn't go ahead and record the whole process just because it's super easy install to do. But I'll show you guys exactly what I did to make it work, make it fit. All right, so I went ahead and finally installed it. I was gonna record the whole process, but I figured this took a total of like 10 minutes. There was no point of even showing that. So I'll just show you guys and take it real quick on the steps that I did to put on the lip. So it is a universal lip. Bought it from eBay. Link for it will be in the description box below. Here we go. Bam, there you go. All right. So that's the front side of it, right there. Okay, I have to fix this. For some reason, this gap right here is supposed to be further away. So I'll show you, this is the side right here. This is supposed to be more like that. You see how it's close up to the bumper? For some odd reason, this plastic piece is just a little bit closer in. And then this is what the other side looks like. So you see this little gap right there in between? You can kind of see the tire from the front, so it's pretty cool. Boom. That's what it looks like from far. So from up above, that's it right there. This is one piece. This is another piece. That's the third piece. So what I went ahead and did is the driver's side piece first. I went ahead and put the passenger side piece second. And then the very last piece, I went ahead and just put the middle lip piece on there. Because what that middle lip piece does is you can adjust it back and forth depending on how aggressive you want it, or how the distance of your bumper, how far it sticks out or whatnot. So the spacers right here. There is a little bit of a bump right here that I have to fix. Again, I did this maybe less than 10 minutes it took me in total to finish the thing up while my dad was here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of readjust a little things here and there, but this is basically the final product, guys. You guys tell me if you like it or not. I'm not too fond of this side piece right here that sticks out, a little fin, but I mean, it's not bad. I wish it was just solid lip the whole way, but so there's a screw right here, and all the way down. So this is the piece right here that you can adjust back and forth. So you see, so I can even push it inwards more, or just have it sticking out some more. So it's very customizable, guys. So I definitely recommend it for us X1 owners who don't really have much of a front lip, especially for the M Sport package. There's nothing out there. There was one lip, but I think they don't make them anymore, and I forgot what's the name of it. I approve. All right, guys, this is it. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, later.